Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. I love fish. I love to eat almost all fish, edible ones of course. So I'm always looking to cook different varieties of fish meals. A super flavorful steamed fish with lots of fresh garlic, chili, lime juice, and cilantro. Let's begin. Make sure your fish is scaled and gutted, and then score the fish with 3 diagonal incisions on each side of the fish. A pinch of salt. Then, stuff the lemongrass into the belly of the fish. Steam the fish over rapidly boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the fish steams, let's prepare the ingredients for the sauce. The sauce is of course the star of this dish, the combination of fresh flavors in it, the tangy sourness that comes from the lime juice. For the red chilies, use a good handful, and you can use as many or as few as you'd like. The spicy touch that comes from both the chilies and raw garlics. Let's add 1 stalk of green onion, sliced lengthwise. Next, a bunch of cilantro. Set aside and let's make the sauce. In a saucepan, bring the chicken stock to a quick boil. Then, toss in the brown sugar and stir until dissolved. A pinch of salt. Then let's add the fish sauce, followed by the lime juice. Bring it to boil for about 3 minutes. And it's ready! Make sure you taste test the sauce. It should be sour enough to make you close your eyes and balance out by the sweetness of the sugar. Add more sugar, lime, or fish sauce as needed. In Thailand, often the fish will be served in an elevated pan with fire on the bottom to keep it hot. The fish-shaped pan looks pretty cool but isn't necessary. But I can use my cast iron serving food. It will keep it hot. A steaming hot fish comes to the table bathed in tangy lime fish sauce, chili and garlic sauce. It's so good! This at-home version is very easy to make. You have to give it a try. If you fancy some Asian fish dish, try this one. eat it with a bowl of hot white rice and you're good. That is cooking simply delicious! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!